up guys, John from B2B. Look what we got here.
Yes sir.
No more minivan action, okay?
Yes,
we got the new battle wagon, Ford F150, 2017, 45,000 miles, Lariat, so all leather interior, very nice. It's so pretty.
Bro, you gotta let them see the interior.
Yeah, it's so pretty. I'm sorry, I'm blushing. Anyway, let's go through the truck. You know, pulls the jumbo. You can see back there, we're out of Jordan.
Yes sir.
Out here, Jordan. Beautiful day.
Baby.
We got the sunset over there.
Yes sir, baby.
Very nice. Okay,
you already know.
Let's show the truck. Let's show the truck. Okay. First of all leather interior. Very low miles. Look at that. 45,000 miles. Amazing. You can see me. Oh, nice mirror. Okay. All leather interior. Very nice. Very clean. All black. Crew cab in the back. Ben, how's the ride?
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
I love the car.
Yes, very much indeed. No more minivan action.
What is up?
This is the back. A lot of leg room. Honestly, this is probably the best thing that my family has bought in a while. Except for that, that's also been a very, very nice addition to the family. But yeah, it's white. I think it's a great color. Has the FX off-road package. I love the wheels. They're like I don't know, I guess we could say like chrome gray. So Ben, what's your so you've grown fond of the truck here.
Yes sir.
What's the one thing that you like about it?
I like the double sunroof on top.
Double sunroof. Oh yeah, I didn't show you that, guys. Look at that. We got the moonroof. Very spacious. Chad, where are you? Yo.
Bro, I already know what my favorite thing is, bro. It's the air conditioning in the seats. That shit's gas.
That's true. Yep. Air conditioning the seats right here. Comes out right through here. You can see the selection button right there, the blue one.
Yes, sir.
Honestly, my favorite thing is probably gonna be how wide, how much leg room you have in the back. I could.
That's true.
You guys can contest that it has more leg room than a minivan, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's fact. Goes to show why you would buy a Ford, not a GMC, not a Chevy, absolutely not a Dodge, and a Toyota. Anyway guys, thanks for watching the video. It means a lot. I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately. I have to create some more content. That's the key. And now that I have this baby right here and I have that, well, I can create a lot of things with that. Anyway, subscribe if you want to see more, and like the video. And yeah, thanks for watching.